Hi girls, wanted to explain you the income process. Okay, as I have told you at the time of joining, we need to make 100 points per month, right? And to make those 100 points, what is the amount needed? We are not quite sure. Just think, we need 3,500 rupees. Yes, with 3,500 rupees also you can make 100 points. With 5,000 also you can make 100. 6,000 also you can make 100 points. Maintaining this 100 points every month will make you reach the levels, okay, quickly, and earn the income quickly. Okay, if you don't maintain 100 point this month, then think that, for example, I have set my goal as senior manager here, 22% senior manager by December. I am at 12% manager now, so I need to reach 3 more levels. I have set my goal for December senior manager, where I can get a salary of 43,565 rupees. Here 12% manager, I am getting the salary of 7,700 rupees. Okay, if I don't maintain this 100 points every month, these 3 levels, think for 3 months. Now for October month I became manager, November, December, January. Okay, if I don't make 100 points this month, then this 20% level will go to February. Is that clear? So whenever you don't make 100 points per month, just make a 1 month more to reach your goal. Now, how to make those points? 100 points, I'm not telling you with what products you can make those 100 points. I'm going to tell you, to reach these levels, how can you make these points. These are the points which I have given. First, now when you register, you will be called as brand partner. You did not place any order yet, or else you placed a very little order, whatsoever that might be, you are just called as brand partner. But when you make a points of 200 in your account, okay, in your ID, see, this is my ID, as I am telling you, Ramya, and my ID is 9003256. Okay, so to become 3% consultant, I need 200 points. And to make 200 points, I will be making 100. I will make only 100. You also make only 100. Now you need plus 100. Who will make that? The member, your recruit. Okay, we call them as recruit. Okay, recruitment, we call them as the member who you got joined under you. So she will make 100 points for you, and this will add to your account also. Now Shivani is there under me. Okay, Shivani, I recruited Shivani. Okay, and then Shivani recruited Soumya. What happened last month is, Shivani made 100, Soumya also made 100. Then what is the total amount of Shivani here? Total 200. And so she became 3% level, where she got the income of 210 rupees. Okay, now Soumya recruited someone, her name is Vaishnavi. Okay, Soumya recruited Vaishnavi. Again, I'll explain you something else here. First, I'm just telling you how to make the points. So here, now this month only Vaishnavi came. Now Soumya made 100 this month. Vaishnavi did not make anything yet, but she will place the order by November ending. So by November ending, think she placed only 75 points. Okay, now what is the total group BP of Soumya? 275 points. Sorry, 175 points. Now will she become 3%? No. Then what will how to make Soumya as 3% now? What Vaishnavi did is, Vaishnavi also recruited one member this month, and her name is Shravya. These members are there in our group. Okay, so what Shravya did, now Vaishnavi, how many points did she make this month? I am talking about November month, 75 points only. Then Shravya made 100 points. Okay, so what is the group BP of group points of Vaishnavi here? Vaishnavi 175. Now what is the point of Shravya here? I told you each and every point what you make will be added for the first person also. Okay, now see here, Shravya made 100 points, right? Shravya made 100 points, Vaishnavi made 75 points. Shravya made this 175 is here. Now what is the extra point Shravya made is 100. So what is that she reached? Who reached? Soumya reached 275 points in total, and she reached this 3% level. Is that clear? So what I am telling you is, even the last person, whoever is in the line, as I am telling you in our group, for as of now I am the one. Under me Shivani is there, then Soumya, Vaishnavi, Shravya, Raji, then Aparna, Divya, Sonika. Okay, now here who is whose recruit? I'll tell you. I recruited Shivani. Okay, Shivani's recruit is Soumya. Soumya did not recruit anyone. Vaishnavi is again my recruit only, but under whom did I place her? Did I place her under me? No, not in my personal ID. I placed her under Soumya. Now Vaishnavi got Shravya. Raji is again my own recruit. Okay, then Aparna is Shivani's recruit. Divya is again my recruit. Sonika is also my recruit. Just think. Now this is the chart. Now whoever Sonika brings, for example, yesterday Sonika referred me one girl by name Girvani. Sorry if I'm I'm doing it wrong. Vani, I'll take her. Okay, this is Sonika's referee. She did not join yet. Okay, and Sonika referred one other member also. I don't remember her name. Just call her as Ye. Okay, then for example, think Sonika said about some other member, that is B. Some other member also, that is C. Okay, now see here how you can earn the income from it. If you think you can do everything on your own, this will not happen, dear. You need to be under someone, because the reason is, as I said, you need to reach these levels, right? As I said, you need to reach these levels, and these are the points you need. Okay, for example, think that I'm in the manager level now. So how many points I got? 2400 points. In the sense, how many members are there under me? 24 members who made who made 100 points. Okay, so total 2400 points. Now how is the team helpful to you? You take me only as example. Now think, I am under, how many are under me? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Just think, 12 members are there, and for that 1200 points, which level will I go? 1200 9% level, where the salary will be 3100. Okay, now can I make those? Only can Ramya make 1200 points individually? No, right? Because to make 100 points, how much you need to spend? To make those 100 points, you need to spend, think, just 3500 rupees. Okay, and to make those 1200 points, how much you need to spend? I'm not quite sure of. I'm good at maths though. 3000, just think, 12 threes are 36, 4 zeros here, 12 fives are 60. I might be wrong, I don't know. 9,60,000. I might be wrong, but whatsoever, just think, 1200 into 35. Is it possible to make this much amount? I mean 3,500 rupees you need to spend 12 times, right? Okay, this is not possible. Then how will the team help you? Think, I need how many points now? 1200 points. So what will you do? Shivani did 100, Soumya did 100, Vaishnavi did 75, Shravya did 75, Raji did 50 only, Aparna did 120, you think. Okay, Divya already did 100, I congratulated her. Then Sonika also did 100, just think. Then Vani did again 75. This member, she did 60. This member did 40. This member did 20. These are the points. Okay, now what are the total points we are getting here? 100, 200, 75, 75, 150, no? 200, 150. Then this is 170, 100, 100 again, 200. Then this is 100, 175 and 20. So what in total we are getting here? 5, then 7, 7, 14, 14 and 5, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 15 points I am getting. Okay, who did these 9, 15 points? Did I do? Think, I did 100 this month, so one more 100, so total 1015 points. Who did those 1015 points? Did I do on my own? No. Who did? All you members have done. And who are getting the benefit out of it? I am getting the benefit. Now take Shivani only. Down to her. Just take out. Your upline points will not come to you. Shivani will not get my points. Shivani will get her downline. This is Shivani. Upline is Ramya. Shivani's downlines are these people. Now Shivani will not get her upline points. Shivani will get only her downline points. Now what point Shivani got? She did only 100, right? You take out this 100. Shivani did only 100. In the sense, adding Shivani, what are the total points Shivani got? Totally 915 points. So doing 915 points, the group, this we called as group points. So doing 915 points, which level she is going? She is going to 6%, where she will get the amount of 1040. Okay, so this is the group work. No one can individually reach these levels. See, think, I am asking for senior manager by December. In the sense, January I should be a senior manager where my income will be 43,565 rupees. For that, how many points I need? 10,000 points. 10,000 points in the sense, how many members should I recruit? 100 into 100 points, no? 100 members. Who can do 100 members who can do 100 points? It comes to 10,000, right? I think this also is right, which I have done probably. So here 10,000 points then I will get, so that I will become 22% senior manager, where I can get a salary of 43,565 rupees every month. Okay, do you understand this? So remember dear, if you want to join, you need to join under someone only. Okay, if you join individually, there will be no one coming under you or your upline. Okay, because if you join, for example, Divya joined. Who referred Divya? I referred Divya, right? So what will I do? Being in the manager level, I will guide her how to do the work. If Divya joins on her own, who will guide her? The company will not guide anyone. You don't have any direct contact with the company. The company will give you the ID and the app. Then who will guide you? Only the people, only your uplines and your uplines will guide you. Downlines will help you. Okay, so this is the process being followed. If this is not the process, then no income. Remember that. I hope you have understood what I am saying. So do register under someone so that you can get all the guidance. And remember, for doing 100 points we need 3,500 rupees. Okay, but if you come under someone, this amount can be reduced also. You can do 100 points in 2200 rupees, in 2500 rupees also. That who will guide you? Only your upline will guide you. If you go into your app directly, okay, just open your app directly, click on any product where it every product, soap will be having around 1 point, okay, then shampoo will be having around 7 points or something, okay, then this omega 3 capsules, it will be having some 25 points, so like that. If you add these products to your cart, to your bag, to your cart, the total amount will be around 4000 rupees to 5000 rupees. 4000, 5000, minimum amount is 3500 if you do this on your own. But if you ask your uplines under whom you have joined, then they will help you how to do these 100 points in less amount also. Okay, so remember, anything without guidance cannot be done. Is that clear? So I mean, someone asked me this question, saying that if I join directly, not under someone, without any reference, well and good, you can join, the company will make you join, but the company will put you under some person for sure, because there is no individual line to be followed, because I'm the first person here, but I am under someone. There is someone, my upline also. There is a first person who started the company. Only under them all these members will come. You can be an individual person. You can be the very first person of the company. Okay. Now in our group, in South India Supremacy Group, there are 2000 people. Okay. If you join, you will be 2001 member only. You will not be the first member. Remember that. Okay. And if you want any guidance, if you want any help, if you want the guidance from uplines, if you want the guidance, if you want the help from downlines, you need to be in any group. If no group, then no income. Okay. If no points, no income. And for points, whom do you need? You need a group. Okay.